Hello, today we will guide you through how to update Bookmap. Keeping your platform current ensures you get the latest features, performance improvements, and important fixes. The good news is that Bookmap includes a built-in updater, so you won't need to download installers manually. We'll walk through the exact path inside the app so you can confidently check for updates anytime. Start by opening the Bookmap application on your computer. Give it a moment to load completely so the top menu is fully available. If you use multiple monitors or virtual desktops, make sure the window you're viewing is the active Bookmap window, as the menu options appear in the app's main window. Once Bookmap is open, look toward the top of the screen for the menu bar. You're looking for the Help menu. On Windows, it appears at the top of the Bookmap window itself. On macOS, app menus are shown in the System menu bar at the very top of the screen. Either way, locate Help so you can access Bookmap's support and update tools. Click Help to open the drop-down menu. This menu contains links to documentation, support resources, and the updater controls. You don't need to change any settings or preferences here. Everything related to checking for updates is built into this one menu. In the Help menu, move your mouse over the Update option. Hovering reveals a small submenu dedicated to update actions. If you see similar wording, such as updates, that's fine. Bookmap may vary slightly by version, but the function is the same. Keeping your cursor over Update is what exposes the command we need next. Now click. Check for new update. Bookmap will immediately contact its update server and compare your current version to the latest available build. This check typically takes just a few seconds, depending on your internet connection. When the check completes, Bookmap will display a message indicating whether you're already up to date or if a newer version is available. If there's a new release, the notice will outline details such as the version number and highlight what's changed. If the update check doesn't respond right away, stay patient and let it finish. A stable internet connection helps this process run smoothly. If Bookmap reports that you're already using the newest version, you're all set and can continue working as usual. That's the entire process. Open Bookmap, go to Help. Hover over Update and select Check for New Update. Make this a quick part of your regular routine so you always benefit from the latest enhancements. Thanks for following along.